Welcome to Walser Chrysler Dodge Ram and Jeep here in Hopkins, Minnesota. Today we're going to be going over the Sky One Touch top. It's a very easy top. It gives you the ability also to open the back panel windows. We have the button up here. You're going to have the direction you want it to go, so we're going to open it up. We're just going to press the button. You can custom however far you want to open it. I'm going to open it all the way up. You cannot open or close the top at speeds over 55 miles an hour. Don't panic, the system's smarter than you are. So if you do try to push the button and you're going over 55, it's going to say not able to be done. Now we're fully open roof, and when we're done, all we gotta do is press the button again going forward, and now we'll close it. So yes, now that we've hopped out, we've closed our top, all we would do is take our panel windows, drop them right into the two holes here, place it forward, and then there's going to be a latch right on the back side of the window to click in the two corners, and now you're ready to roll.